Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Amazon wishlist sharing, shopping collaboration guide step by step clearly. To get started with Amazon wishlist sharing, open the Amazon app or website. Log into your Amazon account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Account and Lists drop-down menu at the top right. Select your lists from the options provided. Choose the wish list you'd like to share. Click on the Share List option, usually located in the list settings. Now, you will see various sharing options. You can share via email, social media, or by copying a link. Choose your preferred method of sharing. If sharing via email, input the recipient's email address. If using social media, select the platform and follow the prompts to post. Copying the link allows you to send it through any messaging app. Make sure to set the list visibility to either public or shared for the recipients to access it. You can adjust the settings based on how much control you want over your list. Once shared, recipients can view and contribute to your wish list. They can add items they'd like you to consider. Encourage collaboration by discussing potential gifts with your friends. Regularly check your wish list for any changes made by collaborators. This feature simplifies group gifting and ensures everyone's needs are considered. Utilizing the Amazon wishlist sharing tool helps enrich your shopping experience. With just a few clicks, you enhance collaboration and facilitate easier gifting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.